సో ఈ టాపిక్లో మనం గిటబ్ యాక్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని టెరాఫామ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేద్దాం. సో యాక్చువల్గా గిటబ్ యాక్షన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? గిటబ్ యాక్షన్స్ ఈజ్ లైక్ యువర్ CI/CD టూల్. ఓకే, సో గిటబ్ యాక్షన్స్ ఈజ్ CI/CD టూల్. దీంట్లో వీ హ్యావ్ 4 blocks. సో ఫస్ట్ block is your name. Next, second block is event block, when to trigger. So this is also called as on what event this should trigger. Third block is your actual job which you want to achieve, so job block. And the fourth block is your steps to achieve this job. So fourth block is steps to achieve job. ఇక్కడ దాకా any doubts?
No.
లేదు కదా? Okay, cool. So now let's see the example. Manam in this example, like we'll be seeing how to launch EC2 instance using Terraform and GitHub Actions. So first step is configure your AWS credentials in GitHub Actions. This is the first step. So second step is installing Terraform. Third step is trigger the pipeline. Trigger pipeline is automatic on event based. Whenever there is some event occurs, the pipeline will be triggered. So we'll go to first step, configure AWS credentials. So how to do that? In GitHub. So for this example, we'll take Terraform examples code. So we have multiple repositories. We'll go with Terraform examples repository. So ikkada in settings, under security, you have secrets and variables. Click here, go to actions and create your AWS access key and secret key. So you need to download your access key and secret key. You already know how to do that. So just log into AWS and download access key and secret key and create a variable here. So this name can be anything. I just named it as access_key and secret_key. So this is the first step to configure your AWS credentials. That part ఇది అయిపోయింది. దీంట్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? Cool. Second step.
Clear.
Sorry.
Clear. అర్థమైంది.
Okay. So the second step is installing Terraform. Install మనం డైరెక్ట్ చేయము. So we have a in the steps. So ఈ స్టెప్స్ లోపటే we'll create a job. ఈ జాబ్ అండర్లో స్టెప్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, in this step we will install Terraform. How to do that we will see. So let me take the code. Terraform examples lo once you write this code, you have to put the code into .github folder under workflows. You can name whatever name you like terraform.yaml or build.yaml, anything, whatever name you want you can name it, and it should be .yaml file. So this is the code. Let me copy this and show you in the Visual Studio Code. I will elaborate. Terraform build.yaml. Fine, I'll paste this. So now you can understand here. So first step, this is name. This can be anything, whatever name you want you can give it. Next, on event I said, right? So this is on event. On what event it should trigger? When there is a new code pushed into main branch. So whenever there is a push event, this job will be triggered. So we configured our access keys and secret keys. So this access key and secret key, this environment variable is from AWS. This name should match with the whatever AWS is expecting. So if you go to AWS site and search for environment variables, you get this values. So this is the value you should, key should be matching with whatever AWS is expecting. Value should be from secrets. So if I go back to the code, the value is we are getting it from the secrets which we created. So I created access underscore key. I'm using that value from secrets, so I use secrets. Secrets dot access key will be copied here. So whatever value it represents. So in the same way, secret. So secrets underscore secret key. Done. Next is job. So this job is to launch EC2 instance. So for that we have these steps. For any pipeline, you have checkout is the first step because it will copy all the code from GitHub and put it into your Ubuntu machine. So this all steps will run in one operating system. These steps require one operating system, that is our Ubuntu machine. So this is a Docker container. It will launch a Docker container. It runs all the steps. So first step is it will do git checkout. It will just pull the code into this Ubuntu machine. Second step is it will install terraform. So we need not directly run terraform install commands. We have something called uses. They are predefined steps in this uses. It's a module. So this module will install terraform in this machine, Ubuntu machine. Then we'll run init command, plan command, and apply command. These are the steps. So how to execute this code? We have to put it in .github folder. Under .github workflows, under workflows we have to mention whatever name. So this is a code already available. I'll run and show you. So when it will trigger, if I want to run this code, I need to do some change. Some push has to happen to this main branch. So I'll just modify this code. If I just modify and commit it, it is directly like a push. I can do it from command line as well. I'll remove the new line character from the last. I'll remove 37 line. Done. I'll commit it. So whenever I commit, under actions, you can see there is a trigger. Let me refresh. See, just now it got triggered. If I go here and see it, there is a terraform init, plan, and it is applying. So if I go to AWS console and check for the instance, I can see it. Let me log in. See, this instance, no, this is a VPC. Let me go to EC2. This instance is running. If you see, it's still initializing, and if you see the date will be today's date now, 7:20. Cool. I'm done. Any question?